This is the view from my front window. I love looking at the snow when it looks like that. Fresh falling snow. And it's still snowing. Y'all can see it or not. So pretty. Just ordered Walter another shovel. Now we got a snowblower, but he wants to shovel the snow. So I ain't about to go out there. Let me show you the front porch. Look like a cat been on my porch. Paw prints. It's a big old gray tabby. It's on the lady's porch next door. I'm gonna try to get that. That's the back door, back porch. No. I guess the salt water threw out there. It's still working on the porch. I mean the sidewalk right there, partially. Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm concerned about my people and all the people in California in the fire area. And they need our prayers, y'all. A lot of people lost everything they had. Some people lost their lives. I saw on the news that there are stretches of burned out houses in a block, and then 1 or 2 houses are okay. They weren't touched. And there are a lot of conspiracy theories going on about why the fire is happening. Well, people don't need all that. They just need our prayers, okay? And if you got something to donate, donate. Okay. I want to show you my wearable blanket. You don't need a blanket, y'all. Put this on. It's so nice and heavy. And I've actually been sleeping in it for the past 2 nights. Of course, I got a thin gown up under here. So this is nice, and it's fully lined. This is like a thick velvet, but the inside is Sherpa. It's fully lined from the hood, because I ain't wearing no hood in the house. Fully lined inside the pocket. It's like a kangaroo pouch. The whole thing is lined with this Sherpa. And this actually touches the top of my feet. Look at that. It's not dragging the floor. It's touching my feet. And I'm 5'9.5" inches tall. Very nice. Y'all see me? Very nice. Okay? I think they should give these things out to the homeless people. They're sleeping under the bridges and stuff like that. Like in Chicago weather or anywhere else that gets freezing cold. This would help them a lot. Then that's one less thing they got to keep up with and keep people from stealing in their little shopping cart. Just put it on. Just my thoughts. So this is my wearable blanket with the hood, and I love it. I love it. For real, for real. Only thing I wish that this part was darker. Okay. And this comes in a bunch of different colors, so I chose burgundy. I got Walter a navy blue one. He don't know it yet though. His birthday is Wednesday. Because he been putting this on. Man, get out of my stuff. Okay, so that's all I want to show you. My wearable blanket. I'll put the information about it in my description box. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, I'm about to do my nails. Get through cutting them down, way down, filing them. So I'm about to put on some short nail, what you call it, fake nails. It's already polished. Okay, bye.